They're so cute.
They give each other baths.
Look at Evie. Evie's looking at her paw. She's like, hey, why aren't you giving me a bath too? Minxie. Evie not give you kisses too?
Are you doing story time?
Trixie.
Oh, look. Trixie's treating Evie like it's a kitten. It's like, this is my full-grown kitten, people. What if somebody farted in your video?
They're about to.